In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock, hit Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Following that, you get to create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Last but not least, answer this question to manage lock screen notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with last option and tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!